What if Daddy made her a brand new toy? Are you looking at your new toy, baby? Yeah, let's look at it. Wow. Look at all those pretty colors. It's such a cool toy. Say, gee, thanks, Dad. Yeah. You love your new toy, huh?